howdy! Michael, the Mercedes guy here, and we're doing a little bit on carpeting. This is a 108 car, and like many of them, the driver's side rocker is bare. And man, that's just really bothers me. Anyway, so this car also lacked the right rear carpet. I found one, same color, and guess what? I'm cut off this piece, which is under the seat. You don't see it anyway, so I'll have enough to do that rocker. Okay, so I've measured here what I want to do, and I've cut this with the razor knife. Now, how do you get this carpeting off? The easiest way is to heat up a real stiff scraper, and that just melts right through the adhesive. Good trick. Okay, so next step is to clean this really well. Well, at least good enough for contact cement to stick. And then you put on your contact cement and put on the carpet. And that's going to look so much better, even though it's just slightly different. Okay, so you use some adhesive cleaner. 3M works great. Clean off any residual glue, and look at that. Even though it's slightly different, it sure looks a lot nicer than a bare rock.